When people think about animals expressing love, they often imagine obvious gestures, wagging tails, loud vocalizations, or constant physical contact. Pigeons do none of these things. Their way of expressing affection is quiet, restrained, and subtle, easily overlooked if one expects dramatic signals. Yet pigeons are among the most emotionally consistent, loyal, and attentive birds in the animal world. Understanding how a pigeon shows love requires learning to read nuanced behavior, subtle body language, and patterns of trust that develop slowly over time. Pigeons are naturally social and pair-bonding animals. In the wild, they form long-term partnerships, often remaining with the same mate for life. This bonding instinct does not disappear when a pigeon is domesticated. When a pigeon lives closely with a human and feels secure, it may redirect these social and bonding behaviors toward the person it trusts most. This redirection of affection is gradual. Pigeons do not express attachment impulsively. Affection emerges slowly through repeated positive experiences, calm handling, and predictable interaction, building a foundation of trust over weeks, months, or even years. One of the earliest and most consistent indicators of attachment is proximity. A pigeon that chooses to remain near a human, even when it has the option to move away, is showing a form of attachment. This might initially appear subtle, perching on the same ledge, staying within a few feet of a person, or simply remaining in the same room while the human moves about. For a prey animal, the act of choosing closeness is meaningful. It signals that the pigeon associates the human presence with safety rather than threat. Observing how a bird positions itself in shared space can reveal its emotional comfort level. As trust deepens, this proximity often evolves into more intentional behavior. A bonded pigeon may actively move toward the person rather than merely tolerate their presence. It may position itself strategically to observe or interact, or follow the person from room to room. This following is not driven by fear or anxiety, it is an expression of social interest and attachment. Such quiet companionship is a clear sign of emotional investment. Physical contact is another form of affection in pigeons, though it occurs selectively and only with trusted individuals. Many pigeons enjoy gentle stroking of the head, neck, or upper back, but only from those they have chosen to bond with. A pigeon that lowers its head slightly or remains still while being touched is not simply tolerating contact, it is accepting it. Some pigeons even actively solicit touch by leaning into hands, nudging gently, or presenting a favored area of their body. These actions closely mirror natural social behaviors between bonded pigeons, reflecting acceptance, trust, and affection. Preening behavior is particularly significant in the context of pigeon attachment. In natural social hierarchies, mutual preening is a behavior reserved for bonded partners, reinforcing trust and social cohesion. When a pigeon gently nibbles or preens a human's fingers, hand, or hair in a careful, non-aggressive manner, it is performing the equivalent of social grooming. This behavior is one of the most potent expressions of affection a pigeon can demonstrate, signaling that the human is accepted as a member of its social unit. Regular, calm preening interactions build a strong emotional bond. Vocalizations also provide insight into attachment and emotional state. Pigeons communicate primarily through soft coos, murmurs, and subtle body language rather than loud, attention-seeking calls. A pigeon that coos quietly around a human, particularly when relaxed, is expressing comfort and emotional security. These sounds differ from mating or territorial calls, which are typically louder, repetitive, or rhythmically urgent. Silence, too, can be meaningful. A pigeon that remains calm, quiet, and observant near a trusted human demonstrates trust and comfort through nonverbal means. Eye behavior offers further subtle indicators of attachment. A relaxed pigeon will blink slowly, partially close its eyes, or even rest with eyes closed in the presence of a trusted human. For prey animals, closing the eyes near another being is an act of vulnerability and trust. A pigeon that naps or rests quietly nearby is communicating that it does not perceive the human as a threat, indicating emotional security and confidence in the relationship. Routine-based behavior is another window into pigeon affection. Pigeons are highly attuned to predictable patterns and cues in their environment. A pigeon that anticipates a human's presence at particular times, responds consistently to the voice or actions of that person, or adjusts behavior according to routines is demonstrating emotional awareness and social attachment. This may include subtle shifts in posture, movement toward a favored area, or increased attentiveness. Pigeons notice and respond to consistent caregiving. Reinforcing trust and relational bonds. Another powerful expression of love is the reaction to temporary absence. While excessive anxiety is unhealthy, moderate responses to separation indicate attachment. A pigeon may become quieter, less active, or more alert when a human is absent, then relax or become visibly calmer upon the person's return. This is not dependency in the human sense, it is an acknowledgement of social connection and comfort derived from the human's presence. Owners who recognize these patterns gain insight into the depth of the bond. It is equally important to understand what pigeon affection does not look like. Pigeon love is rarely demanding or constant. Unlike more demonstrative animals, pigeons value calm coexistence. They may prefer to simply share space rather than seek continuous interaction or physical contact. Misinterpreting this independence as indifference is a common mistake. A pigeon that calmly shares the environment with its trusted human is expressing trust, security, and belonging. Respect for boundaries is essential in fostering attachment. Forcing interaction, handling too frequently, or expecting affection on demand can harm the delicate foundation of trust. Pigeon affection develops most effectively in an environment of choice. When a pigeon voluntarily approaches, chooses to engage, or decides to rest nearby, these moments carry far more emotional significance than constant or forced attention ever could. Patience and observation are critical to nurturing this bond. Over time, bonded pigeons often demonstrate protective or attentive behaviors. They may observe their human companion closely when the person is unwell, stressed, or otherwise inactive. Some pigeons adjust behavior to reflect the emotional state of their caretaker, becoming quieter, more present, or more physically oriented toward the person. This subtle responsiveness demonstrates emotional sensitivity, empathy, and awareness, rarely recognized in many species but common in domesticated, bonded pigeons. In conclusion, pigeons express love through trust, presence, and consistency rather than spectacle or drama. Affection is measured in quiet acts, choosing to be near, accepting gentle touch, engaging in preening, exhibiting relaxed posture, following predictable routines, and showing subtle responsiveness to a human companion's state. This form of love is understated, requiring patience, attentiveness, and humility to recognize. For those who learn to observe and understand it, pigeon affection is deeply grounding, emotionally sincere, and profoundly rewarding. To be loved by a pigeon is to be chosen quietly, day after day, without ceremony. It is not an overt, demanding love but a steady, calm bond that grows in trust and respect. The pigeon's affection is expressed in silence, in presence, and in subtle cues that communicate comfort, security, and connection. Recognizing these signals and responding appropriately fosters a relationship built on mutual respect, understanding, and emotional continuity, a bond that is remarkably enduring and quietly profound.